And as always, guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Rocco Johnson here with another video. And I'm actually filming this the day after what you're about to see. Basically, me and my buddy went to the gun range and everything like that. It's not my first time ever shooting a gun. I'm country as hell, low-key, so, like, I've shot guns, like, down south and everything like that, like, in the field, but, like, I've never went to a gun range to shoot. So that was a cool experience and everything. This video probably isn't gonna be for everyone, but you know, whatever. But yeah, it was a fun day. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get to the footage now. Let me tell y'all something. I'm gonna call my homeboy. We on the way to the gun range, and he is driving with his knees. Y'all know me. I race. I have never seen. Homie just went around a corner. Driving with his knees. Look at him. Look. This ain't fake. Look at this shit. Y'all, my mind is blown. My mind is blown. I've seen people drive stick cars and all kinds of crazy situations. Pull wheelies, do all kinds of... I have never seen this, man. Alright, so here we have it. It's got the Glock in the case there. It's got a high point rifle. There we go. I don't know what's in that one.
Oh, it's the shotgun.
Oh, that's the shotgun. Okay. Dickinson, I see it on the... Go ahead and get this paper. Look at this. Y'all know me, man. I see cars wherever I go. We got a Cobalt here. These came in both NA, supercharged, and turbocharged. Don't know what that is, but it looks good with the carbon fiber. You got the STI there and the dog. All right, here we go.
Oh, yeah, you got your mask?
Bel Air gun range, huh?
You got your mask?
Oh, yeah. Let me put that and everything. This looks obviously going to be loud. There we go, range 6. Now, we're going to start loading them up. And this is your personal curve, right? I said this is your personal curve, right?
Oh, what?
Your personal curve, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we got this 19 here that he's going to be putting into right there. He's going to be putting into where to go. Back here, this conversion, like this crazy thing. Yeah.
Okay, it's off just a little bit.
Yeah. That's crazy, man. I like that. What laser is it?
You gotta try.
Yeah, what? Ooh.
I could use this because I got the longer clips for it, and it looks so much better.
Oh man,
it looks so much better with the longer clip.
Look at that. Slice that in, and that's a regular Glock 19, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, 9mm. Mine's a 40. It looks so much better.
Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to see this thing shoot, man. Wait. Look at the fireballs that come off of it. Damn, man. All right. Oh, all right. Well, all right then.
You want the beam on?
Yeah.
Take that and you're good.
All right. Dang. Okay. I see what you mean about the laser being off a little bit.
Yeah, it's off just a little
Yeah,
bit.
that's cool though, man. Oh my god.
Pop it off.
Ooh, say less. Yeah, this has been a while. God, man. Oh my God. Ooh. Left and right. Loading up the shotty now. These are all his guns pretty much, minus the one. Oh, my fault. My turn. We're using slug. You good? Alright, so now I'm gonna shoot this again, and I'm gonna shoot this. Whew.
Yeah, all that's for you.
Oh, whew. Yeah, well, it's a lot. Big boy. All right. You just gave me the okay. Finish this out.
Right there.
Damn, look how chewed up that is.
Girl, nasty. Oh, there's gunpowder on it.
Oh my god.
That's what I said.
Yeah,
Hey,
so
I'd
that
rather
eats
just rent
up,
a
but
gun.
it's cool as hell. Yo.
Damn. God damn. Look at that. Hold on. Yeah, put that in close.
That is. That's crazy.
I told you it was pretty good, right?
Yeah. And we've been shooting that gun like crazy, and that thing is still accurate.
Told you. That's why actually they make pretty good carbines. I'm not gonna hold you. That's pretty reliable.
Yeah.
It looks like shit and it looks ugly as shit, but pretty good.
Yeah,
Not
man.
too bad. It was only like 371 after tax. Wasn't bad.
Not at all. So after all that, we basically just came to my house and hung out a little bit with one of my roommates and everything like that. And then, you know, he went on and he basically like did that for my birthday and everything like that. My birthday just passed not too long ago. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. I'm pretty sure you could tell, but I had a lot of fun shooting those guns. I really love shooting. I gotta get out to the gun range and everything when I get some more money. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna show you guys one of the papers right here. And as you can see right here is my buddy's grouping. And over here, this is my grouping. And basically, this was with the High Point rifle, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think this was with the High Point rifle. It was either with that or the Glock conversion kit. But either way, yeah. And now that's immortalized on my wall of, yeah. But that's going to conclude it for this video. If you are not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Make sure you get the merch link down in the description below. And as always, guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day.